How to fix inside car lights that won't turn off. Inside car lights that refuse to turn off can be both frustrating and a drain on the car's battery. The first step is to identify the type of lighting system your car has, as this will determine the best course of action. Most modern cars use a body control module to regulate the interior lights, while older models may use a simple switch and relay setup. Start by checking the fuse box to see if a blown fuse is causing the problem. If you find a blown fuse, replace it with a new one of the same amperage rating. If the fuse blows again, there may be a short circuit in the wiring that needs to be addressed. Next, inspect the door switches and the light switch itself to ensure they are functioning properly. If the door switches are faulty, they may be sending a constant signal to the body control module, keeping the lights on. Try cleaning or replacing the switches to see if this resolves the issue. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to access the body control module and check for any software issues or faulty wiring. This will typically require a scan tool and a good understanding of the car's electrical system. It is recommended that this step be performed by a professional mechanic if you are not experienced in automotive electrical repair. In some cases, the issue may be caused by a faulty relay or a wiring harness problem. Check the wiring diagram for your specific vehicle to identify the relay and wiring harness associated with the interior lights. Inspect the relay and wiring harness for any signs of damage or wear, and replace them if necessary. To prevent this problem from happening in the future, make sure to turn off the interior lights when exiting the vehicle and consider installing a timer or automatic shut-off feature if your car does not already have one. Regular maintenance and inspections can also help to identify and address any issues before they become major problems. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can fix inside car lights that won't turn off and keep your car's electrical system running smoothly.